All right, this is part 2 of the 4Runner water on the floorboard video series, we'll call it. I got my shitty little Harbor Freight pancake compressor here and the easily melted hose coming up here. And let's see if you can see it coming right out of the firewall. There's a rubber drain hose. You can see I got the nozzle of the compressor in the hose. And you want to do this when the car is not been running, because that exhaust manifold just gets balls hot and it will burn you, and it'll, if you have a shitty hose like this, it'll melt it in two as well. So let's hit this nozzle, and the compressor started running because it doesn't have much capacity, but I'm just blowing air up in there, and if there's anything in that line, hopefully it blows it out. Now some people say, oh, don't do that because you're going to blow shit up into the condenser coil. Well, yeah, if there's that much shit in the line, it will. But if it's just like a spider nest or something that's up in there, who cares, right? Now, you might blow it up in there, and then the condenser makes condensate and fills up the condenser basin, and that spider nest rolls right back into the hole and plugs it again. Yeah, that could happen. But I did run some weed whacker string up there. It went in about 15 inches or so and then wouldn't go any farther. I did that before I did this. So that's something else you can consider if you're particularly concerned about pushing stuff up the line, but I'm really not. A few more times. And that's about all you can do. And then, once you've done it, you're going to want to start the vehicle up, put the AC on high, let it run, and if you see condensate coming out of this little hose, you're in good shape. Because condensate, you should be getting a pretty good stream, especially in the humid conditions like what we're in right now. I mean, this is August in Virginia. We've got a lot of humidity. I've sweated through my shirt already out here, so this is a good day to test it. I'm going to fire it up, and hopefully we get some water coming out of there, because I got to tell you, the other day when I was looking at this, I was running the AC and I was getting no water coming out of there, and something wrong there. So I think not only was my roof drain clogged, but I think this thing was clogged too. I'm not up to pulling the dash apart and getting in there and cleaning it out from the backside. I'd probably have to hire somebody to do that and just bite the bullet. But if this little fix works, then great. We'll fire it up and get back to you. Hopefully we'll see water coming out of here.